Unlock off-market real estate deals by masterfully skip tracing with Batchleads. Batchleads makes finding contact information for property owners incredibly simple. A process vital for real estate investors wanting to connect with homeowners directly. Let's dive into how you can leverage this powerful tool. First, navigate to the Skip Trace section within your Batchleads account here. You'll see clear fields to input either the property address or the owner's name you're researching. Begin by typing the full property address into the designated field. Be precise with street names, numbers, and zip codes for the most accurate results. Alternatively, if you have the owner's name, you can enter that directly. Batchleads is designed to work with both types of information. Once you've entered your details, click on the Generate Leads or the equivalent button. Batchleads will then work its magic behind the scenes. Within moments, Batchleads will present you with a list of potential contact information, including phone numbers and email addresses associated with the property or owner. This is your direct line to potential sellers. These are the crucial details you need to start building relationships and uncovering motivated sellers for your real estate investment portfolio. Mastering skip tracing with Batchleads puts you ahead of the competition in the pursuit of profitable off-market deals. Happy investing!